Dear friends and fellow enthusiasts of the jewelry world, I'm Sabine Jewellers, the passionate founder and chief designer of Sabine Jewellers. Now it's time for me to give back all that I have gained from the industry. We are all bound by our passion for creativity and the timeless beauty that jewelry represents. In this endeavor, I'm thrilled to announce my collaboration with the International Institute of Gemology, IIG, an institution that equally stands as an epitome of knowledge for young entrepreneurs and professionals. Collaborations can lead to redefining the future of jewelry. It's a chance to push boundaries and embrace sustainability and ethical practices.
It fills me with immense joy and gratitude to stand before you today and announce our collaboration representing Sabine Jewellers, the IIG. Our journey in the jewelry manufacturing industry has been a testament to the boundless possibilities of creativity and craftsmanship.
Through IIG, we aim to be a guiding light for our aspiring jewelry artisans, teaching and mentioning the best jewelry making and manufacturing techniques.
Thank you for your unwavering support and belief in our vision. Together, we will continue to illuminate the path of jewelry craftsmanship for years to come.